Is that why you couldn't get in touch with her? What? Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching Your Name. It's another anime that we're doing. The last time we did one was with Haikyuu a few months ago. Now it's Your Name. I would have wanted to do like a silent voice, but I already watched that. So Rogue One is the only like rewatch I'm gonna be doing for now. Maybe in like a few months I'll do another rewatch of movie I've seen before. Like maybe for next year for like Valentine's Day I'll do rewatch When Harry Met Sally and what do you call it again? Anyone But You. Since I watched those movies, I filmed the reactions, but it got messed up, so I had to delete everything. So I might rewatch them for Valentine's Day next year. But yeah, so this has been a very popular movie to react to, and so joining that bandwagon. So it says here, Mitsuya Miyamizu, a high school girl, yearns to live the life of a boy in the bustling city of Tokyo, a dream that stands in stark contrast to her present life in the countryside. Meanwhile, in the city, Takibana lives a busy life as a high school student while juggling his part-time job and hopes for a future in architecture. Okay, so there's some further description here, but basically it sounds like they switch bodies or something like that, some kind of like Freaky Friday thing, which is interesting because Freaky Friday 2 is coming out in like August, so yeah. But that's enough. It says here drama, romance, school, and supernatural. Sounds about right. Let's get into it. Oh, very cool. Nice visuals. Is that... Okay, yeah, it's part of the movie.
Asa, 目が覚めるとなぜか泣いている。
見ていたはずの夢はいつも思い出せない。ただ
何かが消えてしまったという感覚だけ目覚めてからも長く残る。
So they're connected that way. Cool.
ずっと何かを誰かを探している。
そういう気持ちに取りつかれたの。多分あの日から。
あの日、星が降った日。それはまるで
夢の景色のように、ただひたすらに美しい眺めだった。
このまま僕たちの
Okay. Intriguing so far.
せーのでいよう。この命果てる場所に何かがあるって。
This is similar to the poster, yeah.
覚えてない。名前は
Did they switch bodies?
すげえ本物っぽいなって。
Why would they not?
お姉ちゃん？
何寝ぼけとるの。ご飯！はよ来ない！
Oh, yeah, they already switched. Oh! Very nicely looking stuff. The food and the burner and everything, yeah.
今日は普通やな。
昨日はやばかったもんな。
ちょっと何？
おはようございます。町役場から朝のお知らせです。
1200年に一度という彗星の来訪がいよいよ一月後に迫っています。数日間にわたって肉眼でも観測できる。
Oh, several days. So yeah, I have no idea what's going on so far, but I guess we'll find out.
おはよう、さやちんてし。おはよう。
お前早く降りろ。重いんやさ。
失礼やな。あんたたち仲いいな。
よくねえわ。いや絶対キツネつけやん。
なんでもオカルトにしんの。きっと三葉はストレス。
現職としてどうせ今期も宮水さんで
町長と土建屋はその子供も仲ええな。
いやいやわ。
三葉胸張って歩かんか。
She's his father.
の
さすが町長やわ。
恥ずかしい。ちょっとかわいそう。
I mean, he's your father. My bad.
こんな時ばっかり。
Okay, so I'm guessing the switch happened yesterday, and now she's back in her
これ
body.
が黄昏時の語源ね。世界の輪郭がぼやけて、人ならざるものに出会うかもしれない時間。
Interesting.
質問、片割れ時やなくて。
片割れ時？次、宮水さん。今日は自分の名前覚えてるのね。覚えとらんの？そういえば、ずっと変な夢を見とったような気がするんやけど、別の人の人生の夢？
地区はエベレット解釈に基づくマルチバースに無意識が接続したっちゅう。
あんたは黙っとって。例の儀式ももうすぐやろ。ああ、言わんといて。
What ritual is that?
用はないし、嫁は来ないし、日照時間は短いし。こんにちは。
Oh, that's the cafe. Oh, wow. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, yeah.
お宮も古文書も皆やけ。これが俗に言う。
眉五郎の大化。
おかげで祭りの意味もわからんくなってまって。残ったのは形だけ。
Interesting.
文字は消えても伝統は消しちゃいかん。それがわしら宮水神社の大切なお役目。
Yo, the water. Oh, that's a beautiful artwork, man.
神職を捨て家を出ていくだけじゃ飽き足らんと。政治とはどうもならん。
今回も社長にはお世話になるで。和彦、週末は現場手伝い、葉っぱ使うでな。勉強や。
大きくなったな。
二人ともお母さんにのべっぴんさんやな。
Oh, nicely. Oh, the sound, everything. Oh, very good, very good, very, very good.
世界最古の酒なんやって。米を噛んで吐き出して放置しとくだけで自然発酵してアルコールになるんや。
口噛酒。メイキング動画とかつけてさ、巫女の口噛み酒って名前とかつけてさ。
Sure, I don't know about that.
ダメ、酒税法違反。そういう問題なん？
I don't think that's the problem.
来世は東京のイケメン男子にしてください。アホな人やな。
Yes, I can see that. Is this the guy's point of view now?
ないや、ある。
遅刻でも学校はちゃんと行けよ。じゃあな。
いってらっしゃい。
Is it just him and his dad? How soon bustle the city, man? How soon bustle the city?
迷った？うん。お前さ。私。
私？
私。僕。
あ？
俺。
あ
カフェ？
Okay, this was yesterday.
ああ、俺のバイト先ってどこやっけ？はあ。ズッキーニとトマトのサラダと
頼んでませんけど。
タキ、声が小さいよ。タキ。
ああ、この夢いつ覚めるんやさ。
ピザにさ、用事が入ってたんだけど、
え？
食っちゃったら危ないよね。
でも、イタリアンの厨房で用事が入るなんてことは。
お客様、どうかなさいましたか？お代は結構ですので。
え、そ
お怪我はございませんでしたか？
奥寺さん。
う？先輩だろ。
奥寺先輩。さっきは。
今日は災難だったね。
奥寺さん、
そのスカート。
先輩、ちょっと。
おい、タキ。
スカート脱いでください。向こう向いてますから。すぐに済みますから。できました。
Oh, that's cool.
前よりも可愛い。今日の君の方がいいよ。女子力高いんだね。
Yeah, no wonder he has a feminine side, huh?
Kata思いかな。
Okay, so she is leaving a message for him. Cool.
なんだこれ。
今日もカフェ行かね。
あ、悪い。
I couldn't read that. That was too fast.
行き先はわかるのか？
あ
あいつ、今日は普通だな。昨日はなんか、可愛かった。
なんすか？
てめえ、タキ、抜け駆けしやがって。
あれからどうなった？
よく覚えてないっすよ。
He really doesn't remember.
入りまーす。お疲れ様ーす。ね、たきくん。お姉ちゃん、今日はおっぱい触っとらんに。なんか姿勢を感じるんやけど。昨日のあれは目立ったもんな。
だって同じやん。助成金をどう配るかだけやろ。
そのおかげで生活できるかも。あれって私のことだよ。
Yep. You.
これってもしかして。
Yes, it really is.
これって、俺は夢の中であの女と入れ替わってる。
Exactly. Oh, that is nice.
目を覚ましたかい。それなのになぜ目も合わせやしないんだ。
入れ替わってしまっている時の注意点や守るべき禁止事項。
それから入れ替わ
Don't get too close to Okudera. I'm begging you.
なのに。
それなのに。あの男は人の金を無駄遣いすんな。
食べてるのは君の体。私だってバイトしてる。
私たち超えれるかな。この先の未来数えきれぬ困難を。
I like this montage, you know, the passage of time. But they're doing us. Oh, they improved the cafe. Cool.
お前だっていねえじゃねえか。
私はいないんじゃなくて作らないの。
Sure. Alright, cool. 10 out of 10. Love that.
おばあちゃん。
You're not Taki. Different kind of strength.
土地の氏神様をな、古い言葉で結びって呼ぶんやす。糸をつなげることも結び、人をつなげることも結び、時間が流れることも結び、神様の技、時間の流れそのものを表しとる。
So everything is musubi.
集まって形を。
I understand.
次私も。
うん、それも結び。人の体に入ったもんが魂と結びつくこともまた結び。だから今日の
Everything is Musubi, man. Everything.
闇水神社のご神体。
The visuals are stunning, man. I can't. What can you say?
ここから先は隔離よ。
It's like water. It's literally like water.
あんたらの一等大切なもんを引き換えにせにゃいかんよ。口かみ酒やさ。
三葉の半分。
Wow. Wow, man.
Mitsuha、あんた今夢を見とるな。
What's that? What just happened?
涙。なんでまさかまたミツハが。デート
のはずやったのにな。
That you did? Snazzy fashion sense. I like it.
あれ、
Why are you crying?
私が行きたいデートやけど、もし不本意にも滝くんになっちゃったとしたら、どうせ君はデートなんてしたことないでしょうから。
Oh, absolutely. He's never been on a date. I'm sure about that.
奥手な君を助けるための厳選リンク集。
That place that she's from? Mitsuha?
なんだか別人みたいね。
Yep, because he is a different person today.
君は昔、私のことがちょっと好きだったでしょ。そして今は別の好きな子がいるでしょ。
いませんよ。
本当？
いないっす。
今日はありがとう。またバイトでね。
Okay, so he and Mitsuha like each other. That's the confirmation we needed right there from Okudera-san. Sorry, Okudera-senpai. My bad.
デートが終わる頃にはちょうど空に
彗星が見える。
何言ってんだ。
You big dummy. Oh, this dude hasn't been paying attention to the call. Is he gonna call? He is calling.
なんだ、テシーか。
なんかあいつ声暗かったぜ。
あんたの電話が嫌やったんやろ。
お前やっぱ男関係なんかな。失恋とか。
男子ってすぐ恋愛に結びつけるな。
Oh, the artwork, man. Beautiful. The artistry. Amazing. Look at that.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
Whoa. Oh, damn. So he was trying to call and didn't get through.
散々だったデートの結果は次に入れ替わった時に伝えればいい。俺と三葉との入れ替わりは
Never stopped again?
起きなかった。
Oh. Wow. Dude, you're getting what's all over your drawing. Chill, man. Yeah. Very good. So he's drawing Mitsuha's hometown. I don't remember the name of the place. Sorry, Ikatoro or something like that. And I'm guessing he didn't try to call her after that one time at the comet.
こんなとこにいるんすか。お前が心配できたんだよ。はぁ？放っておけないだろ。
滝くん、メル友に会いに行く。
Oh, trust me.
メル友っていうか、
You can't get catfish.
離れて見ててやるから。俺は小学生か。だから俺は直接、三葉に会いに行くことにした。
詳しい場所はわからない？手がかりは街の風景だけ。その子との連絡も取れない。なんなのよそれ。
呆れた感じだな。感じじゃね
え。まあいいわ。一緒に探してあげるわよ。
Dude is doing the most.
邪魔だな。
Cute.
やっぱ無理か。
私たちの努力はどうな？
They better work after all of that. I'll tell you that.
ラーメン山頂。
はいよ。
今日中に東京に。
Oh yeah.
おや、お兄ちゃん。それ糸。
Oh yeah, that's it. Itomori.
ああ、糸森やな。懐かしいな。
この近くですよね。
ほんと。
糸森ってのは。
まさか。
もしかして、水星の。
What? The comet landed there? Is that why he couldn't get in touch with her? What? Wow, damn. That's why he couldn't get in touch.
だから、滝の勘違いっすよ。
Nope, it's that place, yeah.
3年前に何百人が死んだあの災害、滝だって覚えてるだろ？死んだ？
3 years!
3年前に死んだ？
What? Time and space?
あいつの書いたメモだってちゃんと。
They're disappearing? Wow.
8時42分。祭りで人が集まっている場所に町の3分の1。500人以上が亡くなった。
Is she in the list?
この子なの？
Yeah.
絶対何かの間違いだよ。だってこの人。
あんた今。
俺は何を？
What is going on? This is the second time through time and space thing.
全部ただの夢で。
I don't think so.
景色に見覚えがあったのは3年前のニュースを無意識に覚えていたから。全部俺の妄想。
I don't think so.
滝くんのそれももしかして組紐？
ずっと前に人からもらって、誰から？
Mitsuha gave him that.
時間の流れそのものだって、ねじれたり絡まったり戻ったり繋がってって。あの場所なら。
He's going to the shrine.
覚えてない。
There is one last place I have to check. Please go back to Tokyo without me. I swear I'll be back. Something like that. Dude is committed. I give him that. And you know what? After all what he went through, I can't blame him.
より集まって形を作ってねじ。
We gotta find out.
それが結び。 それが時間。
Yeah, he found it!
あった。
Yep, yep.
本当にあった。夢じゃなかった。ここから先はあの世。
The river's kind of overflowed though, so I don't know how you... It wasn't a river, it was like a stream. I guess it's not that deep if you can wade through it like that.
3年前のあいつと俺は入れ替わってたってことか。時間がずれてた。あいつの半分。結び。もう一度だけ。
Okay. Let's see what happens. Don't kill yourself.
水星。
Whoa. Okay. Whoa. What? Oh, her mom got sick and
お母さん、いつ帰ってくるん？
she's not gonna come home.
宮水神社じゃない。
出て行け。
ちょっと東京行ってくる。ちょっとね。
ミツハ、逃げろ。ミツハ、ミツハ。
So that's why we focusing on her eye. Damn. Oh, okay. And when she went to Tokyo, that's when she saw him. That's when she gave him the braids.
生きてる。やお姉ちゃん。やばいやばい。やばいよ。
あんた、三葉やないな。でも、ここんとこのお前を見とったら思い出したわ。
What kind of memories? Uh-huh.
夢で誰になっとったんか。今ではもう記憶は消えてまったが、あんたの母さんにもそんな時期があったで。
Of course. Duh.
宮水の人たちのその夢って、全部今日のためにあったのかもしれん。そんなこと誰も信じないって。意外に普通のこと言うばあちゃんだな。
Yeah.
絶対に死なせるもん
I
か。
don't think she can save the town. Oh, she's gonna be able to save the town.
そんなことより、このままだと今夜、みんな死ぬ。だから、私たちで。
さやかちゃん、学校は？
ちょっと街を救わないかんくて。
お前放送部やし、俺が爆薬担当で。
私は町長に会いに行く。きっと説得できる。
完璧な作戦。隕石小屋。1000年前、少なくとも一度はこの場所に隕石。
Oh, wow.
だから、やろうぜ、俺たちで。
Yeah. We're doing this.
その後ならもう一度話を聞いてやる。
バカにしやがって。
Oh yeah, she wrong person. You mean Taki right now?
お前は誰だ？
親父さんとの話どうやった？
Nope, didn't go.
そこにいるのか。計画準備しといてくれ。頼む。
There's gonna be a try to do a body switch. Wait, okay, I was thinking, is the purpose of the festival to warn about the comet? I think the festival is related to the comet somehow. I wonder.
私、滝くんになっとる。街がない。
Yeah.
死んだの。
You did.
覚えてない。お姉ちゃん、東京に彼氏おったの？私のデートやなくて、夜には帰るから。 滝くんは嫌がるかな。少し喜ぶかな。
No, cause he doesn't know you. Oh, the same place he tried to call.
私たちは会えば絶対。
No, you won't. Nope, 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 nope. She saw him on the train and she's trying to find him back again now. Damn!
3年前のあの時、まだ俺がお前を知る前。滝くん。
え？
私、覚えてない？
誰？お前。
すみません。滝くんなのに。
変なお。
名前は三葉。お前はあの時
That's the link to save their town.
会いに来たんだ。滝くん。三葉だ。声は聞こえるのに。
Oh, it's a half-light.
そこに
いるのか。
Yeah, wow. And it's night now.
片割れ時だ。
Oh, it still is. Oh, my bad. I was a little early. My bad. They can see each other?
滝くん。
お前に会いに来たんだ。
あれを飲んだ？
え？
バカ変態。そうだ。それにあんた私の胸触ったやろ。
ああ、ごめん、すまん。つい一回だけ。
More than once.
一回だけ？
No. More than once. Lie Mattel.
Liar! You are a liar.
どうかな。
ああ、悪くない。
Guys, the comment.
大丈夫。まだきっと間に合う。
やってみる。
名前書いとこうぜ。ほら。
Oh, man.
おい、三葉。俺が必ずもう一度会いに行くって。君の名前は三葉。名前は三葉。君の名前は。あ。
He's forgetting his name.
お前は誰だ？俺はどうしてここに来た？
Oh, man.
名前は。まだこの世界は。
Why would you do this to us?
僕を飼いならしてたいみたいだ。
Nah, they gotta figure out something. Nah, she's gotta save herself, something. Yeah, cause in the beginning, yeah, cause we saw her in the beginning. She saves people.
滝くん。返して。
やったれや。
君の元へダイブ。まどろみの中でな。
友利高校まで避難してください。
Will it work?
あの人の名前が思い出せんの。
知るかアホ。これはお前が始めたことや。
友利高校まで。
お前何しとるんや。すぐに切りなさい。町民の皆様は慌てずその場で待機したい。
お前何やってるんや。
He's trying to save the town.
すまんさ。
これほど壮麗な天体現象を目撃していること。
Are you going?
この時代に生きる私たちにとっての大変な幸運と言うべきでしょう。
忘れちゃダメな人。忘れたくなかった人。君の名前は。
Ugh. Come on, girl, you can do this. Get up. Get up.
目が覚めても忘れないようにさ、名前書いとこうぜ。
That's what he. Oh man. Come on, girl, you gotta get up. You gotta keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. I don't know, fight through the pain. Fight through the pain.
わかんないよ。
ミツハ、
お姉ちゃん。
お前までまだ。
Shut up, man, shut up.
美しい眺めだった。
Wait, this is what we saw in the opening. Wow. It just came full circle. 360, if you will. She saved people. She saved them. But she won't remember his name.
何やってんだ。
I hope that's her. He missed her.
ずっと何かを探している。いつからか。そんな気持ちに取り憑かれている。
It might not have been her anyway. 8 years in ISIS.
いつか糸森まで行ったことあったよね。
8 years.
どこかの山で一人で夜を明かしたこと。記憶はその程度だ。しかし町の住人のほとんどが。
Yeah!
その日、偶然にも町を挙げての避難訓練があり、あの町に知り合いがいたわけでもないのに。
Yes, you did, boy. That's some very good artwork. I keep saying it, but it's just true, man. Like, beautiful.
ブライダルフェア行っときたいな。式までにヒゲ剃ってよね。私も3キロ痩せるでさ。
It's them!
聞いながら言うか。
明日から本気出すの。
Don't tell me that's her. Go after her. Don't do that. Go after her. Don't, no. Oh, that's the younger sister. Don't tell me. You guys are not. I can't believe they're gonna do this. Well, the movie's not ended yet. The movie's not ended yet. Let me see. Let me see what they do.
ずっと誰かを
探していた。
僕らタイムフライヤー時をだよ。涙止めてみたいなだけ。
She's at the top of the stairs.
拒んだこぼれる
But they don't know each other. So it's just gonna be something weird. I don't know.
こうしたんだよ。
Guys, if you dare, you better. Do not do this to me. Do not do this to me, please. Say hi to each other, people. Please.
俺、君をどこかで。
Yes, you have. Come on.
私も。
Yeah.
君の名前は。
二人の間通り過ぎた風は
The name of the movie, your name. Okay. I get it now.
飛んできたの泣いたりたりしたんだ
Oh. So that was Your Name. Wonderfully done. I don't think I'll be able to talk long about it because I don't know, it's more like a feeling rather than like a deep expression. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna talk too fast because I might get into it. So we have the body switching thing, and it turns out it is for a thing where time was rewritten. Yeah, it was. Because in the original version, most of the town, no, not sorry, a third of the town passed in that thing. But in the reworked version, pretty much everyone was saved. And it's only that in order to do that, they had to forget the names of each other and forget the other person. But it's still part of their timeline. So they will still remember in the back of their heads, but it's not gonna be a thing where it's just easily brought forth or anything like that. It's just something you have to be in it to get it. And I was so upset with the movie because I was like, you guys cannot do this to me. You cannot have them see each other and then just walk past and not do anything about it. I was gonna be cussing, yo, but thankfully that didn't happen, and they met each other. They just had this thing, and yo, them did they go walk past each other again? Is there a thing where like I know you, but I don't know you, so I want to say something, but no, I'm not gonna say something. But thankfully, Taki brought up the courage and he asked, you know, have we met? Don't I know you? That type of thing. And I'm so glad he did because, bro, because, and they each asked each other, what's your name? Name of the movie, Your Name. I get it. It's all timey-wimey, wibbly-wobbly, where the purpose is twofold. One, to save the town and the people, and then secondly, as a consequence of that, she saves herself, Mitsuha, in order to find her future love, Taki. So it's that's the thing. And of course, you write I love you instead of writing his name. That's what you're supposed to write. Because they were, like, I was saying, guys, hurry it up. I was saying hurry it up for a different reason. Because I was like thinking like, the comment, but no. I should have been saying hurry it up because Half-Life is gonna be dying soon. And you guys need to you guys have not a lot of time together left. And yeah, so they had their fated meeting. Actually, that last meeting ended up being their third time meeting. Because they met once before in Tokyo, which is for her to give him the braids. And the second time was at the Half-Life thing where it's 3 years, both simultaneously, 3 years later and 3 years in the past, and they're meeting again then, fully cognizant of everything. Like, she's aware, oh, this is gonna happen then, and he's aware, oh, okay, bada bing bada boom. And that is what saves the town, because they switch bodies. I don't think. Yeah. Anyway, I was thinking about if it needed to switch for them to save, but yeah, it makes sense because Matsuha has to live her life further on, and so you know. But yeah, so I went to work if they didn't switch, but yeah, so they did the switcheroo, and then the last time they meet is when they don't know each other's names. They just know that they know each other, and it is something tying them together, so they have to explore it. And I am so glad that they did that. And okay, I get the name of the movie, it's Your Name, because like I was saying earlier, in order for them to save everybody, they had to forget each other and their names, but they're still bound, and so they're gonna find their names again because it's a bond across time and space. Different cities, towns, whatever, in same country but different time periods and stuff with time across, and that's just the power of their love. And you will see where like the grandmother and the mother, I'm guessing it's been happening throughout their history. And like I was saying before, like the festival might be related to everything and all their customs, because like 200 years ago their records got burned down and everything, so they're just keeping the traditions alive, which is why she's doing the dance and all the thing, and with the sake, because everything had a point. The traditions were kept alive and the traditions saved them, because he managed to use the sake to link them together, and it was the keeping the traditions alive that allowed her to do the time space thing with him, just like her ancestors did. And we see that the town was formed as a result of a meteor in the past, and so the meteor is gonna strike again, and so to save themselves they had to get out of the way a meteor. So it's just a thing where tradition and everything coming together to save them, the people, because they kept their traditions alive. They kept everything going. Even though they lost the meaning of everything, they still kept it going and it saved them. And also the love that was created between Taki and Matsuya, that further saved them because the love was so great and so intertwined with each other that Taki, he just did everything. He was like, "You, my friends, you guys can go on back to Tokyo without me. I'm staying here. There's a reason." After shrine. Oh yes, let me get not the shrine. The whatever that place there in the clearing. He has to get back to that, and it was for a good reason and save everybody. And just beautiful. Yeah, just all the feels, man. I was almost crying right there, man, because it was just wonderfully done story. No notes. I appreciate everything that they did. You guys almost made me cuss you, but you saved it, so I give it that. And just overall, like the visuals, how much, and this, I keep saying about the visuals, but the sound, amazing, like immaculately done sound, like sound effects and the Foley and everything, that the sound design, everything beautiful, immaculate. I could just like a visual, yeah, everything worked properly. So well done, and no notes there, and the visuals, that was like the amazing part of it. Like it felt real, and AI can't do that, bro. Probably it can't emote the feelings that does out of people, where you know that is the result of hours upon hours of hard work by extremely talented people putting their all into doing an immaculate job. You know, that was literally like running water. They made running water. And the glimmering, like that scene with the when they're in the house and then you see they're on that out the house, they're over the little stream thing. I see the shimmering. Amazing. Like, what can you say? Amazingly. So great story, great visuals, great sound, everything. Like all over the world. A. I am truly glad that I took the time out to watch it. I definitely would recommend people to watch this. I see why people love watching this. It's kind of like a silent voice, but it's different. It's still the romance in there, but this isn't like it still deals with time, but in a different way. That was dealt with the passages of time, because in the past, the things in the past affected the future for them, and they had to work through that. But this time, it's the future and the past intertwining to save the past and change the past to present a different future. But in doing that, you lose yourself, you lose a part of yourself, but it's for the greater good. So they change their past and save their lives, but they still love each other through all of that. And so through that love, they meet again. And without the knowledge of their names, they're able to find each other because there's no name. They don't have each other. Your name is not there. I can't find you because I don't have your name. But through the power of the time and space and their powerful love, they still meet each other. And they just start anew. And they're adults now, and they're living in the same place. So the boundaries of long distance and all that is no longer a factor. Well, it's not a factor, it's just deciding to make this work. You found the person you've been searching for. Do your thing. Yeah. So this was a movie about tradition and love and time and space and just like the wonders of imagination and being true to yourself and believing in more than yourself and believing in the power of the world to fix itself and also to fix you and provide you with a path. Yeah. Kind of got jumbled there, but I get what it means and hope you got most of what I mean there. So yeah, those are my thoughts on it. See you next time.